Guys, this is Kurt Stream here with another video for you today, and today I'll be showing you my Knex vending machine. So we can start at the top to the mechanism. I don't know how long I've got on my camera before it runs out of storage. So here is where you reload them, and the lever is at the back. It's the only way it could work. This is where it falls. In there's a storage area. It's going to be covered up. So the idea is you pull this bit, and as here one's reloaded, and then to make it drop you push it. As you see, it falls down. Reload another one, push it again. And as you see, another one's full. So then as you keep pushing, and then to reload it, you grab them. As you know, this is vending chewits, the fruit salad ones. So to reload it, you make sure the pull thing is in, and you push the chewits inside, and then as you pull back, you'll see it will go down. One's in vending, so then you can push another one in, and you can probably fit 6 in there. Then we'll do it again. So push, that's one vended. Pull out to reload. Push in, pull out, and push in again. And then for the last one you have to push in, and then pull out again. So like that. You can lock it by inserting a bit in that somewhere, stop it vending. So you can block the mechanism, but it's free because only I use this machine. So I'll show you around the machine we got. This is all paper at the minute. Probably will have logos and stuff on it. So this comes out. This is the push bar to the back of the machine. By the way, I'm going to show you the back of the machine. The back of the machine, this is going to be hidden. This is a pull down flap to put in drinks, and I don't know if you can see over there, but I'll show you. I used to have energy drinks in it. This is the mechanism what I've broke down, because obviously I don't use energy drinks because of the sale. No one actually bought them, so I just gave them away and remade a machine what vends fruit salad chewits. So that meant the holder had to be smaller and bigger, and in here, as you see, I've got this little mechanism here where you can put a little box of ice or something here, and there's a couple of holes in the box. I'll put my hands through it. You probably can see my hands. Well, you can't see my hands, but I'll try it again. You can see my hand. There's my hand wiggling around. Look, there's my hand. So there is holes in it to make it cold. Like you could put ice here, in this bit here, to make it cold, and box this up so the ice don't fall out. That could be in the container. So what I was going to show you is this to push. This is where the logo is going to be. So for instance, I'll show you. I can cut the wrapper off this, of the 6 one. I've had a packet already, so it's not 6, it's 5 in the box because I've already had one packet. So what you do is you cut this out, this logo, and you stick it on these here, pushing things. You stick it on a piece of cardboard and you put it on a push thing. It's like when you go into Pepsi and you see the Pepsi sign and stuff like that. Advertised product. So this just slides in, and you have to make sure it's in line with these. If it's over there, it will still work, but it will keep getting, it won't be in the correct place. So this can also, this little area can be used as storage for sorry, there's a bit of sound outside. So that can also be used as storage. As you see, the lever won't get in the way as that, and it won't, there's no problem there. So, by the way, I've got my window open, so you could probably hear some sounds and stuff in the background. So here is where, here's the back of the box, and this is the back of the machine, and this is where the person pushes. So the idea I've done is I'll show you that it is doable on the other side. So to vend it, your vend won't come from that side, it will come from, so this is, I've just recently added belts onto it and paper on it and stuff like that. So this machine here, here's where your thing will vend. So to make it vend, I'll put one in again to show you. So you slot it in here, and then watch my hand. So there, it's vended. It's not out yet, as you see it dropped. But there's only one in there, so you have to put two in there to, because it might sip out eventually. So as you see, the main issue is it's a bit sippy at the minute. So you load it with the trap mechanism in. So when the trap mechanism is on, and it isn't on at the minute, like this. So I can pull this right back, like that, because to be able to make it work, you've got to be on the other side of the machine. So here, because this is where you get your vent. Here is the window. There's going to be some cling film here, so then you can watch your, this is on the outside of the machine, you can watch your stuff here being vended. Then you grab it from out here. So I'll show you that it is reachable on the other side. I'm sitting down right now. So there, it is reachable, and you grab your chewits out. This machine holds, I'm going to do a cup. On the cans one, it only holded 2 cans because the cans will just slide eventually. So that's 2, 3. So also, if it gets stuck vending it, I mean like putting them in, you can take this bit out. That's 3. And then this will be 4, but when you pull it back, you've got enough room to put another one in, I think. Yep. And then this bit will go over the top. You don't always have to do it up. So there, it's over the top. So it holds 5. Nearly the whole packet, because in the packet of chewits there's 6. And if this cuts off this video, I'm sorry. I'm just going to say, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment below. So we're just going to vend another one, because I'm frightened that my memory on my iPod might go off. But I don't know how much memory I've got. So that's 1 vended, 2 vended, 3 vended, 4 vended, 5 vended. So that's 5 vending. So that's nearly a whole packet of chewits. What's quite good because it holds more. And if I was going to charge someone, how I would do it is, someone will have to give me, I'll make tokens, right? And they give me the money. So I figure out how much these are, say 35p each. Let's say that 35p each. So I'll say 35p for each for these chewits. So what will happen is I'm charged 35p for them. So the guy might say, I'll reload it and do an example. I'll reload it. So the guy might say, oh, I want what's in your vending machine, and obviously he'll see on logo I'll obviously have something else, picture or something on the front of the machine to say what's in it, because then I can't be blamed if someone says, oh well you didn't, I don't know what's in your machine, I don't like them and stuff like that. So what the person does is they give you 35p. If I charge 35p for these, they'll give me 35p, and I'll give them a token. They'll come to me, and there's a way how I can lock my machine is either taking the lever out, or I can add this into one of these slots, so then when it catches the thing, as you see, it won't go any further. So that's how I'll lock it, and then I'll unlock it and allow the person to get one out, because obviously I'll lock the machine after they're done, so I know how much they've done. So I've just vended one. So imagine if they, obviously you can keep doing this. So you can keep doing that, but what I'll do is obviously I can unlock the machine myself. But the reason why I didn't put a coin mechanism is, imagine if, because this is great for gaming, if I'm doing gaming videos and I want a snack or a sweet, like a sweet in this case. Basically all I have to do is pull the lever and just get one out. Because like I said, I don't need a coin mechanism on this. It's simple, it's easy. And I don't know if you saw this one before. I might do a video on this. Don't know if I have done a video on this. This is my smallest Knex vending machine. And as you see, you put the coin in there. It pushes this out. You're able to drag this out here. And the sweet vends in there, so the sweet or whatever, if it's like a skittle will be in there, so it's like 2p each, and you load them in this top bit. So, and that you have to have unlimited sweets. You have to have sweets what are the right shape to fit in the thing. But with this, you just, whatever you're selling, you make the right shape. And last time it was different because I had a tighter and more compact. But on this you don't need to, because it does the job. So, let's see, the last one tilts. So, as I said, you've got compartments in here, as you see further at the back. This is all going to be blocked up. And the idea with that is, like, you can store cans in there, and if I had, I don't know, imagine you had 50 boxes of these, you can put them all in there and pile them up, and you'll get lots in there. Drinks wise, it would take, like I said, drink wise, I would have to, this was used before for drinks like I showed earlier. Simple, same way, but more tighter, it's not loose. So drink goes in, you pull to reload, and then you push it, and you got to pull it all the way out. With this, it will slowly slide. So, also the air vents in here, there is gaps in it. Someone's probably going to say, oh, you forgot to fill this bit in. I haven't forgot to fill this bit in. This is, like I said, there's ice pack behind there. It travels through. You could block that up with tape or something. Or I might make a case in the future for that. To trap the cold air. And then it will go through here. Obviously there's only one way to go through here. And I'll probably have a lid on this, and it will keep it cool because the plastic will stay cool next to it. That's if I'm putting chocolate in there what might melt in hot days like this day today. So I'm gonna do another example for you guys. Why I'm doing lots of examples in this video is to show you how reliable the machine is, and I haven't had any problems with the machine, no jams, nothing. Like I said, the only thing was the thing can sometimes twist. So let's see how many. And this is also a test video to show you that the machine what I did has had thought to it, and the reason why I haven't been doing lots of Knex video, I've been doing gaming videos, is like I haven't had time to fully plan the mechanism. So pull out, push, pull out, push. I mean, this is like a sweet shooter. Suitable, really reliable. And after I've sold everything, I can just take, sorry about that, I could just take the lever out, the thing that powers it, because then no one can try and keep shaking my machine and if nothing's coming out. So then I know it's empty. If someone else is going to refill it, I know. So I've got clocks here, clock here. That's just for show. Someone got him off and they'll wonder what that is. We're going to do a receipt mechanism. It turns out it's going to be a lot harder than I thought. And why I've chose these sweets is they don't go off. I don't think. Yeah, they do go off. 4th of 2018, 2017 right now. That's if you're watching it in 2000. If you're going to watch it in the future, obviously they will be out of date. But these have the 4th of 2018. That's a long way off. So it means these sweets, if they don't sell, they'll be in there for a while. So it doesn't matter. But the thing doing drinks is you have to keep them cool. So I'm gonna have to keep refilling the ice mechanism. And the thing is larger, so it's less reliable. And the floor is covered in here. The gap here is for air, but this won't be seen at the back of the machine. And that doorway there is going to be blocked, and you won't be able to see it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my others and turn on notifications. Thank you. Bye. Please like and subscribe to my channel.